In this video, I will show you the tutorial how to enable useful future accessibility button on Infinix Smart 9. Okay, follow the step and don't skip anything. In the first step, you can go to the setting menu and then you can scroll and you can select on special function, and then you can tap on accessibility and you can scroll and you can tap on accessibility menu, and then enable this feature by tap on it and tap on allow and got it. And you can select the position of the feature by tap on it. You can tap on more option and then you can tap on location. You can select the feature will be floating on the screen like this, or you can select the position on the navigation bar like this, and I just select on the navigation bar just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.